I have a little job to do with my rifle later on this evening, at a different spot to this. The shot's going to be about 320 yards away, and just as good practice. I've just come out this morning just to check that my elevation settings are going to be bang on. Okay, and I've going to stick an apple up on the hill, so somewhere in the middle of that shot. Okay, and then I'll just check it. The wind clearly, although it's at a similar angle to this, or it will be at a similar angle to this, it will probably be different. So there's not a lot I can do about the wind at the moment, apart from adjust the windage and elevation settings for this shot. But we'll see how we get on. And I'm going to go and put the apple up there on the banking somewhere. Okay, as you can see there, I've got 9 clicks, 2¼ minutes of angle on elevation, and I've got ½ minute of angle or 2 clicks sending the bullet out to the left, as that's the way the wind's coming from. Okay, and I've set my magnification to 16 times. Okay, 322 yards away, Ruger 204 Hornady 32 grain, super performance.